Hey friends, if you wish to create a new partition on your Windows 11 computer, then simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. And it works for Windows 10 as well. So first of all, I'll open the File Explorer and I'll go to this PC. As you can see, I have a huge 1 TB C drive, but most of it is unused. And I want a separate drive, which is the D drive. So all I need to do is search for disk management in the Windows search bar and click on this option, create and format hard disk partitions. It will take you to the control panel, actually the disk management window. Now in the disk management window, you can see a lot of options here. This 700 MB one, 200 MB one, 260 MB one. Now these are necessary ones and we cannot touch this. But there's one huge drive here, which is the C drive, 952 GB one. I can partition this. Right click on it and select shrink volume. It will need a while to query for the shrink space, and after that it will display. Now this space is in MB. I'll explain what this means. When you check the space, it is in GB on your computer. 1024 MB is 1 GB. So I have around, I guess, 80 GB free space and the rest is occupied. And so let us suppose I need the new drive to be around 10 GB. So I will select 10240 and MB, and then I click on shrink. It will need a while for that. And now we have one unallocated 10 GB column here. I call it column, I don't call it a drive, because as you can see it's in black, so it's unallocated. I don't see a drive here as such. The drive hasn't been created. To create the drive, right click on this and select new simple volume. Now click on next, and you can change the space if you want to keep a part of it unallocated or create a drive out of some of it. I'll create a drive out of the whole of it, so I'll leave it as it is. I click on next. Now I can assign a drive letter. You can, I'm using D, you can use anything that you want except for C obviously, and then click on next. If the file system is not NTFS, if it is FAT32, change it to NTFS, and the volume can be named anything. I'll give it my own name, and then make sure that perform a quick format is checked. Click on next. Now once you click on finish, the new drive will start getting formed. Look at it, the D drive has been formed and it's 9.96 GB or almost 10 GB. So the drive needs a little bit of space of its own for the system restore. Otherwise, it would have been 10 GB. Isn't this interesting? Please subscribe to our channel. We really need subscribers. We have very few of them. And if you didn't like this video, please let us know your comments in the comment section below. I'll surely answer to them. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.